Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Red Tie. Today I'm going to explain you about a very common problem of the Google Chrome or any browser. Once you'll click here in this three dot icon, you will see here your browser is managed by your organization. Even if you'll click on the setting here, you can see your browser is managed by your organization. How you can fix this problem? It is a very common problem, but today I will explain you how you can remove it completely from your browser. Okay, let's start how we can fix it. First we will open a new tab, type here Chrome and then colon then / so we'll check is there any policy associated with our browser or not. See, the policy name is extension manifest version 2 availability. If you'll click on the show more, so you can see the details here. You can click here also and you can see, but if you'll try to remove from here, there is no option to remove. So how we can remove this extension, this policy name? For that, you can do one thing from here. If you can try, if it works with you, it's okay. Otherwise we'll go to the second method. Just click here, go to the settings, in the reset settings to their original defaults. Try to do reset all of your settings. It will remove all extension and everything, and just refresh the browser, close the browser and reopen again. But you can see the problem is still there, it is not removed. For that, type here registry editor, and you can also go to the click Windows and R icon and type here regedit. You can access the setting by both way. Click on yes. Here expand H key local machine, H key _ local _ machine. Just expand it. Again look for software, then expand the software folder and then look for policies. So once you will expand to the policies, look for your browser. But in my case, my browser is not showing here, only Adobe and Microsoft and Mozilla is showing here. If in your case, if the browser is showing like Chrome, you can click on the Chrome, and once you click here, there will be option here to remove your extension. But in my case, it is not showing here. Then what you will do, close it and go to the H key _ current _ user. Expand it and then go again, expand the software folder, go to the software. You can see the path also, whatever folder you are opening, this path is creating here. And then look for policies again. See, there is the policies. Expand it and look for Google. Here is Google is mentioned here. Expand it, click on the Chrome. See, there is an extension here. This is the same, just make sure this is the same extension manifest version 2. Here it is the same extension manifest. You can just expand it here so you can see the full name. What you will do, just we will delete it. Right click and delete this. It will ask to confirm, just click on yes. Okay, close it and then close the browser, and then we will check. See, the magic has been done. That's your browser is managed by organization, that is removed from the Chrome. We can go and click on the setting also. Click on settings. See here, from here also it is removed. By this way you can very easily remove this extension. Thank you for watching.